students, welcome to the 11th session, and which is the last session for the areas related to circle. Today we are going to solve rest of the MCQs from 47 to 43. Okay, and the last previous session we had completed up to 46. So let's start with the question number 47. Here we go with question number 47. If pi is taken as 22 upon 7, the distance in meters covered by a wheel of diameter 35 centimeter. Okay. एक व्हील का ये डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट circumference. So circumference formula, one is 2 pi r and another one is pi d. So we will use this one because d is given there. So why should we convert again d into radius, again multiply with 2? So instead of all these things, we will use the pi d formula. But it is, we need to convert it into meter. So write down diameter of the wheel. Diameter of the wheel is equal to 35 cm, right? That means 35 upon 100 meter. So circumference required. Circumference is equal to pi d, 22 upon 7 multiplied by 35 upon 100. So after simplification, we will get 7 5s are, then after that 5, so this will be 11, 10. So 11 upon 10, that means 1.1 meter. 1.1 meter. Therefore, distance covered by a wheel is equal to 1.1 meter, which is our answer. And the correct option is option B. Okay. Next question. Question number 48. ABCD is a rectangle whose three vertices are B40, C43, and D03. A is not given. The length of one of its diagonal. So let's join BD. Okay, because we have the points of B and D. A का points हमारे पास नहीं है. So diagonals both same ही होता है. So BD हम लोग find out करेंगे, but यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? You need to use the distance formula, which is x square minus x1 का whole square, then y2 minus y1 whole square. It will come under root. So directly we will put BD. BD is equal to x2. That means coordinate points of D. 0 minus 4. Okay, here I am writing, wait, x1 is equal to 4 because, and y1 is equal to 0. This is B points, and D points x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 3. Okay, so x2 minus x1, that means 0 minus 4 plus 3 minus 0 whole square. It will come under root minus 4 whole square plus 3 whole square. 16 plus 9, 25. So plus minus 5. So which is our correct option? This is our answer, and correct option is option A. This is 5 units. Next question. 49 question. Area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle. Again, triangle is inscribed in a semicircle and radius is r. So find out the area. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ABC is a triangle. Let it be take D. So AB is equal to diameter, that means 2r, and CD is equal to radius of the circle, so that means r. But here in the triangle ABC, AB is the base and CD is the height. So according to our formula, area of triangle is equal to half base into height. So just we will put the values there. Half base is AB. So AB ka value 2R multiplied by height is R. After simplification, we will get R square units. Okay. So which option is correct? Option A. Option A is correct. Next question. Question number 50. If the sum of the areas of two circles with radius R1 and R2 is equal to the area of the circle of radius R, then which option is correct? Okay. So according to the given condition, area of the circle is equal to area of the first circle. So we will take that third circle. Okay. Area of third circle is equal to area of first circle plus area of second circle. So we will write down here third circle. Let's take that pi r square and it will be pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So take pi common, r1 square plus r2 square. So final r square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. So which option is correct here? Option B. So this is the final answer and option B is correct. And the question number 52 is a similar question, just like 51, similar to 50. 50 में area of the circle दिया था, यहाँ पे circumference of the circle है. So given, so therefore 2 pi r is equal to, okay, small r, not capital R. 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Same 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi, we will take common, r1 plus r2. So after that r is equal to r1 plus r2. So option, which option is correct? This is the final answer and option A is correct option. Okay, let's go to the question number 52. If the circumference of a circle and the perimeter of a square are equal. Okay, circumference formula 2 pi r or pi d. Okay, 2 pi r or pi d. 2 pi r और pi d, दोनों में से कुछ भी यूज हो सकता है. पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर 4 multiplied by side, right? 4 multiplied by side. So according to our given condition, 2 pi r is equal to 4a. Let's take sides as a. Okay, 2 pi r is equal to 4a. So 22 upon 7. अच्छा, circumference बोला है ना, हाँ, 2 pi r is equal to 4a. 22 upon 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by r is equal to 4a. Now हम लोग कैंसिल कर पाएंगे 2 और 4 को. 2 2s are, अभी 22 upon 7 r is equal to 2a. And और कुछ हो रहा है सिंप्लीफिकेशन? यस, दिस विल बी 11. सो आपको ये आएगा 11r इज इक्वल टू 7a. 11r इज इक्वल टू 7a एंड a is equal to 11/7r. Okay, a means साइड मिला है 11/7r. सो एरिया हमें गिवन ऑप्शंस क्या है? एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. सो दोनों का हमें एरिया निकालना है. नाउ एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, नाउ एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो पाई की जगह पे आर के जगह पे डालना है. ओके, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर. ओके, लेट्स सी, we will find out like this also. Now area of square, area of the square, side square, that means side whole square, a square. But a का value क्या है? 11/7r. So write down here 11/7r square. And this will be our 22/7r square. So 11/7r square, that is 121/49 r square. 121/49 r square. After simplification, what we will get, whether it is simplified or not, let's check. For 121 हो रहा है क्या सिंप्लीफिकेशन? चेक करो. 121/7 नहीं हो रहा है, एंड 3 से 49 no. So what we will do, we will keep this keep the second one like this only. Okay, so इससे क्या करेंगे हम? सेम में करेंगे. Now 22/7 multiplied by 7/7 करेंगे. So आपको क्या आएगा? 154/49. This is area of circle, and area of square is equal to 1, sorry, this is r square, 121/49 r square. So circle का बड़ा है या एरिया स्क्वायर का बड़ा है? So option C is correct. Area of the circle is greater than area of the square, because 151/49 r square is greater than 121/49 r square, right? ये है हमारा ऑप्शन. तो ऑप्शन C करेक्ट है. और एल्स यू कैन, यहाँ पे A इज इक्वल टू हमने निकाला, आप R भी निकाल के कर सकते हो. Okay, last question, 53 question number. Question number 53. If the perimeter of a circle is equal to that of a square. Okay, perimeter of the circle. तो यहाँ पे लिखते हैं पहले perimeter, that means C is equal to 2 pi r, and perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by A, where A is the side of square. Same है, similar question है, 52 की तरह ही है. Okay, so same again, A का value डालेंगे 2 pi r is equal to 4A, and this will be 2. So pi r is equal to 2A. Pi r upon 2 is equal to A. A का value आ गया. Now the ratio of their areas. Area of circle, because circle पहले दिया है. So area of the circle, pi r square, area of square, A square. So we will put the value of A here. Pi r square divided by pi r square upon 4 because 2 का स्क्वायर 4 होगा. So pi r square multiplied by 4 upon, sorry, this is pi square b, pi square r square. Okay. So after simplification यहाँ पे pi एक pi r square simplify हो गया. So बाकी क्या है 4 upon pi, right? So 4 upon pi means 4 divided by 22 upon 7, that is 4 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So 28 upon 22. 28 upon 22. Simplify करने के बाद 14 upon 11. So final answer क्या है 14 upon 11. Okay. So that means ratio is 14:11. Upon 11 means ratio is 14:11. Okay. Students completed all the MCQs of area related to circles. And hopefully आप लोगों की practice भी complete हो गई होगी. So from the next session onwards, we will start a new lesson. And practice करते रहो because जो आपका मिड टर्म एग्जाम है बहुत ही जल्द आ रहा है. नवंबर 15 के बाद टेंटेटिवली कभी भी आ सकता है डेट. So चलो, let's see. Hope for the best and do keep on practicing. Thank you. See you in the next session. And please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. जैसे कि आप सब्सक्राइब करते रहोगे मुझे भी इंटरेस्ट आएगा नए नए वीडियोस डालने के लिए. So please, thank you. See you in the next session.